besties, welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved my lymphatic massages at home. I'm excited to actually share this with y'all. The girlies that know want to actually get them done, they can cost a pretty penny. They can start to add up. Put you guys on to what I've been doing and what you can do, which has ultimately saved me so much money. In this video, I'm gonna show you my entire process, so make sure you guys keep watching for all the deets. I only promote body positivity, sharing like a personal part of myself with y'all. I'm being real open about the body, so no negative body shaming comments, none of that. This is a safe space for all the girlies. Anything dealing with body or anything is a sensitive topic or something like that for you, this is a safe space, mama. I promise. Let's go ahead and get started, and let me show you guys what we'll be using today. All the girlies looking for non-invasive body contouring, this is the 5-in-1 40K ultrasonic cavitation body sculpting machine. I absolutely love this machine because it has 5 different attachments. It has ones for face RF, it has one for body RF, it has one for 40 cavitation, it has one for vacuuming and FR body, and it has one particularly just for your IRF. In this video, we're only going to use 3 attachments because I'm only doing body contour, which I'm super excited and I cannot wait to show you guys. They also sent me this cooling gel and some hot cream as well, which these are 2 essential products that you will need when you're doing your lymphatic massages. So we're going to be starting off with the RF body radio frequency body attachment, and this is to stimulate the collagen section within our midsection. So let's go ahead and change our settings to body RF, as you can see me doing, and I'm going to change the time to 10 minutes with level 3. You could do whatever level you want and whatever time you want, but for me, we're gonna do 10 minutes at level 3. I'm gonna take this hot cream and I'm gonna rub it all over the area that I'm gonna do the RF body. And girl, this hot cream gets very hot, so just be careful. Right now, this is very self-explanatory. As y'all can see, I'm just using this attachment to go and activate my lymphatic system, just going around in circles along my midsection and my side to just go ahead and get everything stimulated and started. This tool is specifically to target the deeper skin levels to stimulate my collagen, firm my skin, and tighten the areas around my midsection. Step 1 complete. So now we're going to use our cooling gel to go in with our second attachment, which is going to be the 40K cavitation attachment, girl. Let me tell you, beware. When you use this attachment, a ringing does occur in your ear. This is not harmful and there's nothing wrong with you. I promise. It's nothing wrong with you, okay? Nothing. It might be a little alarming because it does ring in your ear as you do this along your lymphatic system, but that is completely normal. Right here, we're literally just sculpting our body parts with this low frequency ultrasound, and that's all this is, and that's why that ringing occurs, because this is ultimately just an ultrasound to start and begin to sculpt your midsection. Ultimately, this attachment uses the ultrasound waves to break down your fat cells and begin to improve your body contour. You want to make sure after every attachment that you wipe your midsection off and go to the next one. So for step 3, we're just going to go ahead and do our vacuum and radio frequency for our body, and we're going to use the hot cream for this attachment as well. You can see I'm just rubbing that hot cream all over my midsection, and then we're going to start the vacuuming process. I'm not gonna lie, girl, this does get a little bit painful, especially if you're trying to do it too hard. So I say go really soft with this area, because as you can see, it's a vacuum essentially. This specific attachment combines radio frequency and suction to tighten your skin, enhance circulation, and promote lymphatic drainage all in one. And just like that, besties, we are done. So today I really only did a body lymphatic massage, really to my skin area. With this machine, I was doing a full body. I will also do my arms, and I also could do my face as well. But tonight we literally just doing body. So red right now. I feel so like relieved. I'm not gonna lie, but this hot cream, it has me so hot, besties. I'm not gonna lie, super hot. So at least I know it's working, right? I absolutely adore and love this machine because it has really saved me a lot of money on lymphatic massages and time. Honestly, I did a quick massage right now because I have a lot to do tonight, so I want to go ahead and get it out the way. If I was doing a full body, it would have been so long. This video would have been so long, girl. I love this machine, and if you want to try it out, definitely check out all the information that's in my description box. And of course, I always come bearing gifts for the girls. Duh, because I'm a girl's girl, and I'm your favorite internet bestie. You guys can use my code for coins off your purchase. Duh. Check out all the information that's in the description box if you want this machine. I'm telling you, it's going to help with your lymphatic drainage, lose your fat cells. It's just going to help get your body snatched. Okay, perfect, especially because it's gonna get cold outside, girl. So if you get this now, you could go ahead and get your routine started. So by summer 2026, body tea, okay? Okay, I'm also talking to myself, girl, because I got the machine, but now I just gotta be consistent with my routine of doing it. Literally, I want to shoot to try to do it twice a week, but I know how hectic my weekly schedules be. So if not twice a week, I'll do it once a week. We working on this body. We working on our goals, okay? Yeah. So make sure y'all tap in and go ahead and get that. I'm a DIY girly, so this definitely gonna help with having to spend so much money on lymphatic massages. Especially my girlies that got surgery or anything like that. This is y'all time to shine, okay? Y'all already know them lymphatic massages. I know they be burning them pockets up. Literally like the same machine that they be using. This hot cream got my skin like tingling, okay? So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get my night started, hop in the shower. But I do hope you guys liked this video. I know this was something super quick and not what y'all used to, but you know, I just had to show the girls and put the girls on to like my favorite self-care machine right now, okay? Who would I be if I didn't put the girls on, right? Right. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. But in my next video, girl, we're gonna be preparing for next month. That video should be up soon. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all, besties. Bye.